And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 214. Let me show you how you can import new SVG filters. So we're going to use right here under Effect, SVG filters, this option, and then they will appear in the general dropdown or in the menu. I need a filter to show you that. Let me go to freesvg.org. I'm going to link to it in the video description if you want to use the same. I download it, and it's usually an SVG file. Let me go right here to its properties, and you can see .svg as a file type. So now we can use it. I go back to Illustrator, Effect, SVG filters, then import, find your downloads folder, and then double click on the SVG file. You should get a success message right here. So this filter was actually 2 filters in one, and we can find it down here in the list of the dropdown or in our Apply SVG Filters menu. Let me actually apply it so that you can see that it works. The first one right here, it actually overrides our fill color. Let me open the Appearance menu. Here we can see it. Let me add the other one as well. And this one mixes with our fill color. And this is how you can import new SVG filters in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.